everyone, welcome back to Codenjas. So today we are solving one of the terrified LeetCode question to some problem. So most of the people got terrified by seeing this type of question while entering into the LeetCode. So today we solve this using a brute force approach. So later we optimize the code then. So what exactly the code says, we have given an array of integers 2, 7, 11 and 15, and we also they gave us a target 9. Based upon if we add up two elements in this array, if we found out the target, then we need to return their indexes. This is what the problem says. So let's start with the for loop and for traversing the array, and I starts from 0 and it should be num short line and I plus plus. I will take another array because it is a brute force approach. I will start it as a j with the next element from the I, and it's from the num short length also, and j plus plus. So the output we need to return here in the format of an array. So to get this, I'll write a condition if nums of I plus nums of j equals to target, we need to return new the I and j should be in this array. So this is input would have exactly one solution, so we not use same element twice. So this is how this works. If it is if there is no indexes, we need to return the new array which is int. So let's run this code once. So there is an error here. I thought it's an int here. Yes. So the problem is here is it's a pretty basic question, but it is one of the mostly asked questions by the top tech companies in the world. And so if you want to learn this type of questions, so keep on practicing, you will be able to solve within 4 minutes like me. So moving on to the next video, let's go into the optimized code next.